So who wants to make $100 a day, $125 a day, $500 a day? I know I do. And my name is Charlene Davis. I live in Wisconsin. And I am here to tell you that finally, after a couple of years of working online, I have found a way to earn $25 a day, $125 a day, or more in a system that's almost completely automated that actually works and that has all the tools that you need to run a business, whether you are new to online digital marketing or you are a seasoned veteran who has been doing digital marketing for quite some time. So just want to show you a little bit about how the program works, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please do right away. Below this video is also going to be a link to my Facebook page. Connect with me there. And also a link so you can get all of the details on how the commission plan of this program works, so we can get you started and on your journey to earning $25, $100, $200 per day. Sound good? Okay, so let's get started. This is your basic dashboard within the program, and as of today, I had 22 people view my page. I sent out 25 emails, and I have 100 contacts. So in this program, when people visit your lead capture page or go into your funnel, you can have your contacts go to two places: to the $25 one up contacts, where it automatically sends out some emails, or you can automatically link it to your Aweber and get response, and then you can generate independent email and broadcasts from there. I choose to do both. So I do have more contacts in my Aweber than I do in $25 one up. So with that being said, this is your dashboard. And basically when you get started, you join for a $10 hosting fee. What does that hosting fee get you? It gives you all of your funnel pages. You have the option of choosing from 5 or 6 different funnel pages, and that funnel page will include your lead capture page where they put in their information, and that's the most important part, so you can follow up with them. And then it also takes them to the video. The video is called a landing page, and this particular business presentation is like 15 or 18 minutes long. And then at the end of that video, it will give them an opportunity to click join and go from there, or you can follow up with them and get them some more information if they're not quite ready. So with your $10 hosting fee, you will get the funnel pages that you see here. You will have a contacts area where all your contacts are housed. And from that, the system will send out automatic email. So it has an autoresponder built in. But I had said I choose to also use Aweber as an additional autoresponder to follow up with them. The other thing within your back office, so funnel pages, lead capture pages, contacts, autoresponder, and there is a Meet Your Sponsor page, so I encourage you when you get started to get your Meet Your Sponsor page filled in, and mine's taking a second here. It gives your folks all of the contact information to get in touch with you: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can also record yourself a little greeting video. If you are involved in any other businesses, put those businesses and opportunities in here, because they may choose to join you in those other opportunities as well. So that is what you get with your subscription for the $10 hosting fee. Now the exciting part is there are different levels for you to choose from. So we have a gold level. That is $25. So if you get started and say the gold level is for you, it's $35 altogether. At this level, you will have different trainings available, but the top commission that you can make is $25. It's unlimited $25. You never have any monthly auto ships or monthly fees that are associated with this program. So, however, the most you can make per sale is $25. Now, let's go to level 3. Step 3 is our platinum level. It's $100. So when you come in, you'd buy the gold, the hosting fee $10, the gold level $25, and the platinum level, which is $100. So that would be $135 to get to that level. But with the platinum level, this is where maybe some things could really change with your income, because now you're not only making a $25 commission, but you're making a $100 commission. So when other platinum people come in, you will now make $125 on that sale. If you are only at the gold level, $25, and you brought somebody in that's at the platinum level, you would get paid the $25, and that $100 would roll up to your sponsor because you are not qualified at the platinum level. So it definitely makes sense for you to position yourself at a bare minimum, the platinum level. What else do you get at the platinum level? This is the level where our team only has a behind the scenes written blueprint of what we are doing every single day to succeed with this program. It tells you step by step what to do and how to do things to guarantee your success. This blueprint is only given to you at the platinum level or above. So you want to keep that in mind. You definitely want to position yourself there if you can. Now, these next 2 levels are very, very new, just within the last couple of weeks. So the diamond level is $250. I have not yet upgraded and will be doing very soon. The diamond level is $250. So if you want to come in at diamond, you pay the $25 gold level, the $100 platinum level, and the $250 diamond level. Now you're at the diamond level, right? The enterprise level is $500. But the cool thing with the enterprise level is if you come in at that level, it's $500 and you don't need to pay for the rest of the levels. So that's pretty cool. So definitely a great option if you can come in at the enterprise level, okay? And then these other steps are setting up your profile and all the systems training. Now I'm going to show you real quickly, whoops, my products. Each level does have its own set of trainings that are available to you. So at the gold level, you'll have the pre-written ads, ad copy cheat sheets, Facebook groups that you can join, how to promote ideas, mindset training. At the platinum level, each level the training gets a little bit more advanced. Here you'll get some very intricate Facebook training, YouTube, and Instagram. So if I click on the Facebook training, let's see how quickly it goes. You will see here that there are a lot of videos that go through how to do Facebook. Now these are you get the same amount of videos for YouTube and Instagram. So it's the platinum level can be very, very beneficial for you just to get these trainings, since the majority of our leads come from these platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, okay? The next level is the diamond level. Slow. Here we talk about creating the digital marketing lifestyle, the 10K blueprint. This blueprint's a little bit different than what my team offers you at the platinum level. This would be a much more advanced blueprint, basically how to scale your business higher. Email marketing, t-shirts, I don't know of anybody who really does that yet. Creating Facebook groups and how to master that, and how to use Facebook Lives effectively to generate an audience. And the last program is at the enterprise level. And this is more about, again, mindset, video marketing, production, more of the high-tech things to really work on branding yourself and, again, scaling to higher levels, okay? So this program is so simple if you can just follow a few steps. Again, I recommend coming in at least the platinum level, get our team blueprint to show you exactly what to do step by step. And You will then be on your way to earning 25, 125 or more every single day. And the key to any business is just being consistent every day, every single day, day in and day out, with the activities that we lay out for you in the blueprint. Consistency. So if you want to learn more, first of all, subscribe to my channel. Connect with me on Facebook. That link is below this video. If you want to learn more about the program and actually learn about the compensation plan and how it works, there is a link right below this video. You can watch the 15-minute video, get all the details, connect with me if you have questions. Otherwise, set up your account and get started today. You really don't have a whole lot to lose. It's $25, $135. It's not a lot of money. I was a traditional business owner before I came online, and when I started back in my business, I was building real estate, employees, insurance. Before I even opened my doors, I was $750,000 in. I lost it all 15 years later. $100 is not a lot to start a business. There's always going to be an expense, and you will not be able to generate the kind of income you want to generate by going after all the freebies that are out there in online marketing. You just won't do it. You just can't create the type of income that most of us need to survive or to be able to leave our jobs. So join me, join us. This team is incredible. They're very moral and ethical and on the up and up. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side.